So hello everyone, welcome back. So we were doing exercise 2.2. Let us continue with it. Question number 12, it says 15 years from now. Now 15 years from now means counting it from today, 15 years. After 15 years, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What will happen after 15 years? Ravi's age will become 4 times whatever his present age is. And you have to calculate what is the present age of Ravi. So here, let present age of Ravi. Let us take the present age to be as X. Now if you take the present age to be X, therefore, now 15 years from now, what will be his age after 15 years? If it is presently X, it becomes X plus 15. 15 years from now means आज से 15 साल बाद, तो उसका एज, रवि की एज जो है वो क्या हो जाएगी? X plus 15, and this age is 4 times his present age. Now what is this X plus 15 equals to? This is 4 times means 4 multiply his present age, that is X. So this is the equation which you get. X plus 15 equals to 4X. Now simplify this. 15 equals to 4X. This plus X from left we are going to transpose it towards right and it becomes minus X. So 15 equals to 3X. And if 15 is equal to 3X, then 15 upon 3 becomes X. This 3, when it is multiplied here, if you transpose it to the left side, it will be divided and it becomes 15 upon 3. So here you get X as 5. So this is what we get, and this X, what is X? It is the present age of Ravi. So you can say that therefore present age of Ravi equals to 5 years. So this is the present age of Ravi. So hope it is clear to you all now. Now let us move towards the next question, that is question number 13. Now question 13 says a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. So what is the number? So what we have here now? We have a rational number, and when this number is multiplied by 5 upon 2 and after multiplying, if you add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. So here you have to find the number. So let the rational number be taken as X. If you take the number as X, now what we have to do with this? The rational number, when you multiply it by 5 upon 2. So this X, you are going to multiply it with 5 upon 2 and you have to add 2 upon 3 to the product. Now this is the product which you get, X multiply 5 upon 2. And in this product you are going to add 2 upon 3. If you add 2 upon 3, you get minus 7 upon 12. So we get the result as minus 7 upon 12. Now X multiply 5 upon 2 is 5 upon 2X. This plus 2 upon 3 gives you minus 7 upon 12. Now this is the equation which you have to simplify. So simplifying it, 5 upon 2x equals to, now 2 upon 3, it is a constant value. Let us transpose it to the right side. You will get minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 upon 3. Now simplify these two fractions. So 5 upon 2x equals to, in order to simplify the fractions, we will be taking the LCM of 12 and 3. The LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. 12 divided by 12 gives you 1. 1 multiply minus 7 is minus 7. 12 and divided by 3, it is 4 times, and 4 multiplied by 2 gives you 8. So you have minus 7 minus 8. So we get 5 upon 2x as, now minus 7 and minus 8 both being negative, you get minus 15 upon 12. Now this 5 upon 2, it is multiplied with x, it is a factor here of this term. So this, when you transpose it to the right side, when you take it to the right side, multiplication gets converted into division, and division can be written in the form of multiplication itself. And what will be the change? This 5 upon 2, you are going to take the reciprocal of it, and it becomes 2 upon 5. Now simplify this. So 5 1 times and 5 3 times. Then 3 1 times and 3 4 times 12. 2 1 times and 2 2 times is 4. So overall here, don't forget this sign of minus also. Taking this minus, in the numerator you are left with 1 and 1. So 1 multiply 1 is 1. Upon, in the denominator is 2 and 1. So 2 multiply 1 is 2. So you get the value of x as minus 1 upon 2. And what was x? X is the rational number which we had supposed. So hence the rational number is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So this is the number which we had to find out. Now let's move towards the next question, number 14. Now question number 14 says, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. What it is? Lakshmi is a cashier in the bank. Who is the cashier? The one who deposits or gives the cash to the customer. So she has currency notes. Currency notes means it is the amount, the notes which are there, of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. Now Lakshmi is a cashier, so she is having some notes. The rupees is there, and those notes are of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. Now the ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. Whatever are there, there are some 100 rupee notes, there are some 50 rupee notes and there are some 10 rupee notes. Whatever the number is there, the ratio of them becomes 2:3:5. Now the total cash which is there, the total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. तो ये जितने भी नोट्स बनते हैं उन सब का टोटल अगर अमाउंट काउंट किया जाए, रुपीस देखा जाए, तो कितने बनते हैं? 4 lakh. You have to tell how many notes of each denomination does she have. अब आपको ये बताना है कि 100 रुपी नोट्स कितने हैं, 50 रुपी नोट्स कितने हैं और 10 रुपी नोट्स कितने हैं. How many notes of rupees 100, how many notes of rupees 50 and how many notes of rupees 10 are with Lakshmi. So because we need to find the number of notes and we are given that the notes they are in the ratio 2:3:5. So what we will do, let number of notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 denomination be, because the ratio is 2:3:5. So 2 stands for rupees 100, 3 stands for rupees 50 and 5 stands for rupees 10. So the notes we will take it as 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. So these are the number of notes. 100 rupee notes, there are 2x in number. 50 rupee notes, they are 3x in number, and 10 rupee notes, they are 5x in number. Now we are also given that the total amount is 4 lakh. Now total amount to calculate, we first need the value of rupees 100 notes, the value of rupees 50 notes and the value of rupees 10 notes. There are 2x notes of 100 rupees. Now for example, suppose there are 5 notes of rupees 100, then what will be the value? 500. If there are 10 notes of rupees 100, the value becomes 1000. Similarly, if there are say 6 notes of rupees 50, the value becomes 6 multiply 50, that is 300. Similarly, if there are 20 notes of rupees 10, the value becomes 10 multiply 20, that is 200. So here we are having 2x number of 100 rupee notes. So what will be the value? The value becomes rupees 100 multiply 2x, and rupee 100 multiply 2x means it is 200x. Similarly, 50 rupee notes, how many are there? There are 3x in number. So the value becomes rupees 50 multiply 3x. So it is 150x. And rupee 10 notes, they are 5x in number. So the value becomes 10 multiply 5x, that is 50x. So these are the number of notes which are there. And the total sum of all these values, ये जितनी अमाउंट बनती है 200x, 150x, 50x, ये जो सम है इन सब का वो किसके इक्वल है? 4 लाख. Therefore 200x plus 150x plus 50x, the value becomes 4 lakh. So this is the equation which we have. And if you have to now solve this equation. So 200x plus 150x plus 50x. If you add all these, you get 400x. It is equal to 4 lakh. Then x equals to 4 lakh divided by, now this 400 which is being multiplied here on the left side will get divided on the other side. So you have 4 lakh divided by 400. Now 4 lakh divided by 400, what it is? It is equal to 1000. So you can check it out. These two zeros will be cancelled out. Then you are left with 4000 divided by 4, that gives you 1000. So the value of x is 1000. Therefore, number of rupees 100 notes. So how many notes of rupees 100 are there now? 100 rupee notes, how many were there? There were 2x in number. So it is 2 multiply 1000 means 2000 notes are there of rupees 100. Then number of rupees 50 notes, Now for rupees 50, the number was 3x. So it is 3 multiply 1000 and it is equal to 3000, and the number of rupees 10 notes. Now how many 10 rupee notes were there? They were 5x in number. So it becomes 5 multiply 1000. So that is 5000. So these are the number of notes of each denomination, the each value it is there. There were 2000 notes of rupees 100, 3000 notes of rupees 50 and 5000 notes of rupees 10. So this is the solution for this. Now let's move towards the next question. Question number 15. Now it says, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins. It is similar. Now there in that question number 14, the total amount was 4 lakh and that was in notes. But now here the total amount is rupees 300 and this is in coins. And what type of coins? Rupee 1 coins, rupee 2 coins and rupee 5 coins. So these are the coins which are available and the total amount is 300. The number of rupee 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupee 5 coins. Now what is given? The number of rupee 2 coins. 2 rupees coins जो है उनकी जो संख्या है, उनका जो नंबर है वो कितना है? 3 times the number of rupee 5 coins. जितने 5 rupee coins है उनसे 3 times यानी उनका 3 गुना rupee 2 coins है. The total number of coins is rupees 160 और जो total coins हैं 1 rupee, 2 rupee और 5 rupee के coins वैल्यू नहीं है, वो coins है. Number of coins कितने हैं? 160. You have to tell how many coins of each denomination are with me. कि अब मेरे पास हर एक रुपी के कॉइन्स, हर एक तरह के जो कॉइन्स हैं वो कितने कितने कॉइन्स हैं. सो इन सॉल्यूशन, नाउ हियर वी आर गिवन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ rupee 2 coins and rupee 5 coins. So what we will do is, let number of rupee 5 coins, number of rupee 5 coins, let us take it as x. Therefore, the number of rupee 2 coins, अब 2 rupee coins जो हैं वो कितने हो जाएंगे? 5 rupee coins तो x हैं और 2 rupee coins क्या हैं? 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. So this, if it is x, rupee 2 coins will become 3x. Now total coins, if we are talking about total coins, the total number of coins is 160. Then number of rupee 1 coins. अब 1 rupee के कितने coins होंगे? Total coins 160 हैं, rupee 5 के x हैं, rupee 2 के 3x हैं. तो 1 rupee के coins कितने होंगे? 160 minus x minus 3x. ये जो दोनों नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स हैं इनको हम टोटल में से माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा? नंबर ऑफ rupee 1 coins. So what it is now? 160 minus 4x. So now we have the number of coins. 5 rupee coins x, 2 rupee coins 3x and 1 rupee coins as 160 minus 4x. And total value of coins. What is the total amount? Total amount or total value of coins. It is rupees 300. So same way as we did in question number 14, we will find the value of rupee 5 coins. हम rupee 5 coins की value find out करेंगे. Value of rupee 2 coins and value of rupee 1 coins. So what is the value of rupee 5 coins? total is X number, one coin is 5, so the value will become 5 multiply X, that is 5X. The value of 2 rupee coins, they are 3X in number, so 2 multiply 3X, that becomes 6X. The value of 1 rupee coin will be 1 multiply 160 minus 4X. So this is 160 minus 4X. So sum of this all value, ये जो value आई है इन सब का तो total है वो किसके equal होगा 300. So taking the equation, form the equation and then find the value of X. Therefore 5X plus 6X plus 160 minus 4X equals to 300. The sum will be equal to 300. Now 5X plus 6X, it is 11X, minus 4X, it is 7X. And this 160 being a constant value, we will move it to the right side. So it becomes equal to 300 minus 160. So 7X equals to 140. X equals to 140 upon 7. That is the value of X is 20. So we get the value of X as 20. If value of X is 20, therefore not the value, sorry, the number, because we need to find the number of coins. So number of rupee 5 coins. So how many coins of rupees 5 will be there? It is X in number. So we get 20 coins of rupee 5. Then number of rupee 2 coins. Now rupee 2 coins, the number of coins was 3X. So 3 multiplied 20, it is 60 in number. And number of rupee 1 coins. Now how many 1 rupee coins are there? 160 minus 4X. So it will be 160 minus 4X, means 4 multiply X, and the value of X is 20. So this is 160 minus 80, and this gives us 80 coins. So there are 20 coins of rupee 5, 60 coins of rupee 2 and 80 coins of rupee 1. So this is the solution for question number 15. Now let us move towards the last question of this exercise, that is question number 16. Now question number 16 says, the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100. Now there is an essay competition which is being organized, and they decide that in the competition whoever is the winner, he will get a prize of rupees 100, and a participant who does not win, means the other one who does not win, will get a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. जितनी भी प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की गई है उसका टोटल अमाउंट कितना बनता है 3000. Find the number of winners. Now we have to find out how many winners are there if the total number of participants is 63. यदि 63 participants थे उसमें कंपटीशन में, तो आपको ये बताना है नंबर ऑफ विनर्स कितने हैं. सो लेट नंबर ऑफ विनर्स, सो लेट अस टेक नंबर ऑफ विनर्स एज x. हम ये मानते हैं कि विनर्स कितने हैं x. देयर टोटल पार्टिसिपेंट्स, they are 63 in number. If total participants are 60, then number of the one who do not win, means non-winners. Let us say they did not win. So how many non-winners are there? 63 minus x. Okay. So now winner gets rupees 100. So value of prize to winners. We are talking about the total value, because one winner is going to get rupees 100. There are x winners. So the total value becomes rupees 100 multiply x. That is rupees 100x. Similarly, the total value of prize to non-winners. Now if there are non-winners, then the total will be one non-winner is going to get rupees 25, and there are in total 63 minus x non-winners. So this is the total amount for the non-winners, and this value we will calculate it later on. And now we have that the total prize of money is rupees 3000. So total prize money, it is rupees 3000. Now form the equation. The sum of these two, that is 100x plus 25 multiply 63 minus x equals to 3000. So this is the equation which you have to solve now. So let us just solve this equation. It is 100x plus, we will write it as 25 multiply 63, and then it is 25 minus x equals to 3000. Now here 100x, this is 25x. 100x minus 25x gives you 75x. 25 multiply 63 is 1575 equals to 3000. So 75x equals to 3000 minus 1575. So this is what we get. What we will do here now, we will subtract it. So 75x equals to, now 3000 minus 1575, if you are going to subtract it, you will get 1425. So x equals to 1425 divided by 75. Now if you divide it by 75, what do you get? You get 90. So this is the value of x which we have. And what was the x taken? X was taken as number of winners. Therefore, number of winners in the competition are 19. So this is the number of winners which we had to calculate. So with this we come to the end of this exercise 2.2. In the next we will continue with the further of the chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you all.